Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great. Today I am going to show you how to use routing in Angular project. So yeah, what's routing? Routing is loading different pages in your Angular app. And by using routing, you can navigate from one component to another component or from one page to another page. How we can do that in an Angular? So let's first create a new Angular project. Then after that, I will show you how to use routing in Angular. Let's get started. So I'm going to use terminal. Okay. As we learned how to create Angular project by using ng new, the name of the project, for example, app routing, and enter. So it will ask you, would you like to add Angular routing? So I'm going to say yes. Which type of style sheet do you want to use? I am going to use SCSS. It's creating our Angular project. It's creating. If you're new here, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends and like the video. So the project has been successfully created, and let's open the project with Visual Studio Code. Okay, open folder. I created in my let me where I going. Okay, code dot, why it is not. Okay, I created a user Murtaza Malik. App routing, as you can see, I created here. Okay, and this is my project. I'm going to open with Visual Studio Code, and yes, I trust. So this is my project. I'm going to open the source folder and app folder. It has only one component, which is app component, and it's also created one file, which is app routing module.ts. And now I'm going to create some component. Let's, for example, create by using ng generate component, and the name of the component, for example, home, ng-gc, for example, about, ng-gc gallery, ng-gc for example contact. So I created 4 components, which is about, contact, gallery, and home. And yeah, what we should do, and open app routing module.ts and const route. Inside the route we can add our routes, for example. By using path, it defines the path. For example, I'm going to use for home, okay, and comma, and now you should define your component. If you click on home, what should be displayed? By using component and the name of the component, home component, and path for another component, for example for about, and component about component, comma, path, gallery, and component, the name of the component, gallery component. So this is our routes, okay. And once we finish this, we should add app routing module in our app module.ts. The CLI has added automatically. If you don't have this in your app module, you should add manually. So now open app and delete all the codes from app components, and here you have to add router outlet. Let me save, and now let's run the project and see the output. ng serve, so as you can see, it has been compiled and ran successfully. And I'm going to open the project localhost. As you can see, this is just a minute. I have to add, for example, h1. This is app component, and as you can see, now I'm inside app component. And if I navigate to home, for example, home, as you can see, the home components will be displayed here. If I click, for example, gallery, the gallery will be displayed. And if I click on, let me see what about, for example, about component will be displayed here. That's how we can use routing in your Angular project. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.